Namaste, good morning, sir. My name is Jayapalan GK. Full name is Jayapalan Govindan Kausalya. My channel name is Trivandrum News Live. Sir, I cannot speak good English. Sorry, please. I cannot understand which content is reused. Please mention. I am using my staff's shooted contents in cameras and mobile phones. I am using in UCut and KineMaster's editing software also. My channel is running in news and entertainment programs. Don't strike, please. Sir, I am using computer and mobile phone for editing purpose. I also using Adobe Premiere, KineMaster and UCut video editing softwares. And this is my small green studio.